gorgeous friends, and hello and welcome if you are new. It's me, Kazaru. In today's video I'm going to be doing a sort of grungy spring inspired look, inspired from, I don't know, just me and my brain and all the workings that go on up there. I think I was just thinking I wanted to do like a grungy milky moon spring look, if you will. I don't know, just like I have an image in my head and I want to try and see if we can create it together. So let's get straight into it. The palette I wanted to play with more is the Beauty Bay Reckless Romance palette. I'm thinking maybe we play about with this one, but also like that silver one. But Marlo, I want to put in some of the pops of colour too, somewhere like on the eye. A prime with the NYX glitter primer. The prime of this baby. You bet. I hope you're all doing well. I've just been pottering about in the garden. I have a really old azalea plant that I just put into the ground. That was fun. My back hurts a little bit now from all that digging, but totally worth it. Good garden exercise. My kids were just like running about playing. Bless them. There we go. Just a little bit like that. Okay, so just give it a minute, let that dry down. Yeah. You can go over it with a powder if you want, like a setting powder, which actually I might do. I might just go over it a little bit with my, not my Pat McGrath, because that's way too expensive just to put over my eyes. I'm going to be putting my cheaper one, which is my e.l.f. Halo Glow. But this one's really good. No talc if that's something that bothers you in this one. And I just love the fact it's affordable and it just looks really nice on my skin. And I love that it just has the little twisty bit. Try it out if you haven't, it's really good. Choice by 6 brush and 125. This one's not falling apart. I'm just literally going to take a little bit and I'm just going to go over my eyes. I've done my base and everything. I'll link it all down below for you. Da, 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 da. That's it. Done. I've got still like a bit too much in it. I can't really tip it back in. That's the only thing about that e.l.f. product. Like if you tap a bit out and you get too much, and then it's like, what do? Do you tap it back in here? You could do, but then you've got like loose powder floating about. So probably would just close it up and just either use the rest of it on your eyes, because I feel like it is a bit wasteful. So let's do that. Bit on the eyes. And am I a bit sweaty? I'm not sweaty or anything, but we're just going to wax some underneath because I don't want to waste it. I have some e.l.f. brushes to test out that came free of my makeup purchase the other day. These ones look like this. Pretty cool. So it's like for putting on your shadows. This one's really cool. It's like really pointy. Ow, but I think I ruined it a little bit. Oops. I'll fix that later. We won't use that one right now then. I might try the little, I'm guessing this is okay, so this is like a blending crease brush. So let's try this one out. You know I'm very particular with my brushes. I like my Eco Tool brushes. Go up with the shade number 1, which is this one, and just put that all up in my... Oh, it picks up quite a bit. That's cool. And I just like to brighten up this bit first in my eye. That's what we're going to do. Eye. Like so. I'm just sort of dusting it on, just like a little brush, like a windscreen wiper. You can do it in circular motions, but right now you don't really need to like blend much of this out. It's literally a really light dusting. This shade number 1 is, and I like putting it near the inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Okay, next shade. I don't know if I want this one anymore. We haven't really got anything lighter in here. So let's take Fling and see what we can do with Fling. We're going to put Fling in that bit. Let's see. Berry Spring Dewy Berry Icicle look. We shall create you. This is actually quite a nice blending out crease brush. It's actually quite nice. It's soft. Obviously, first time using these, I don't know how well, like how long they're gonna last for. Time will tell. I've gone a few times into this shade, deepening it out, but I'm also blending it out at the same time. And because I've got like hooded eyes, I'm sort of taking the shade a bit up higher above where I look at dread. Whenever I look right at you, I'm going to take the colour above my crease, that line, the hair. I'm just going to take it up a bit higher because otherwise or that shade is just getting hidden on me anyway. So I take it up a bit higher. With Front Row. Ooh, she's a lot deeper. Front Row. And now I'm gonna just want a bit of it here. Like that. That's nice. I like that. Sort of mix it in with the other one a little bit. And then, yeah. Right, now I want some shims. Nice little bit of shimmer. And I'm going to take my... Like, even though we've done the NYX, this stuff just gives shimmery shadows, like another pop of life, if you will. It literally comes out, but if it gets too much, whoop, 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 it will go back in. So let's take like a little bit. Like so. Put any, like, tap a bit of the excess at the back of your hand. See, there's still like a fair bit left there. And I'm just going to go and put it, mirror, where are you? Just like that half of the eye, basically. Do a bit more. I don't feel like I need any more though. And that will do. Look, it's looking shiny and rather wet. Just going to take that off the back of my hand. My finger now. I'm going to use the same finger. It's sticky, so it's going to pick up. Just dry that down a bit. Don't slap yourself in the face. Cool. Right. Now, we're going to do... No, we're going to do on that one. We're doing two. So we're going to do this one. It's like a darker shade. Can't remember the name for it. I'll tell you the names in a minute. And that's like the brighter shade, which we're going to pop like over like in the middle. So this shade, we're going to stick here. The outer side of it. Nice. And then we're going to do the lighter shade and bring that one into the front of the eye. Like so. Gonna get some more of that one, I think. That shade's really nice. Is it Encore? I think. And I'm sort of just dragging it up slightly over the berry shade. I like that. And then the lighter shade is Girlfriend. She pretty. I just felt like I like spring, but like sometimes you don't want all those like really toned down like pasty colours. I like them for a bit and then I get a bit bored. I need some like depth and more shimmery shades and jewel tone shades. Because spring's not all about just the really light shades, is it? You get some really, you know, in your face punch colourful shades. And I like that. But at the same time, this is sparkly. And I feel, you know, but it's also, you know, a bit more impactful and it's toned down still a little bit. And we've got some shimmery stuff happening here. Looks nice though. But I think I need to sort that bit out a little bit. Okay, in the corner, you know I love this brush. Taking this brush and going in again with a bit of this in the corner. Just a smidge. Now I haven't got a clue in the corner shade. I think, oh, we're very sparkly. I feel like maybe I should have done like a matte for the inner corner. I've been doing that and liking that recently. Let's go with Mini Dress. Mini Dress? Yeah, which is the nice silvery shade. Oh yeah, then that's nice. Let's do that. Just a bit though. And now I want to sort out the under eyes. But it's quite big. This one is for eyeshadow. That's what it says. This look. We could do grey. This one and this one. That one's a bit lighter though. That one's a bit deeper by like a smidge. Still nice though. It would have been cool if one of those shades was something a different colour though, I would say, after using this one. Let's do Backstage, which is like a nice glazed. Let's take it. Let's put it under my eyes. This could be good, but this could be really bad. And I don't know about this brush yet. Oh, that's kind of good actually. And it's like making that bit look a bit purpley. Which I don't know if I want. Am I gonna look like I've been punched in the face though if I do that under the eye? Maybe. Might do. Like incorporated the greys with the pinkies, like with the pinks and the purples. I'm actually deepening it up this outer corner a bit with it, and then that bit's getting a bit more purpley looking, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of working, I feel. Got to shut my eyes. My eyes are so hooded. I feel like the older I'm getting, my eyes getting sucked back in. I don't remember being like having hooded eyes like this. I don't remember them being this hooded like when I was younger. I'm still young. I'm talking like I'm really, really old. I'm really not. Wow. Okie dokie. Gonna take my Max Factor eyeliner. My nice nude one. Ooh, she needs to sharpen. It's all linked. It's gonna bore you. It's a really nice nude though. But I'm on in the comments. A nice nudie eye pencil that stays on your lower like lash line for a while. Like good long wearing ones. I guess like I need to get like a good waterproof one. Just like that little bit of brightness under the eye. It stays on for a bit, like a few hours, but this one just like wear away. But I still like using it, and I'm not sensitive to it or anything, which I like. And I like it for highlighting the underneath my brow bone as well, and keep it so, and here, everywhere. But I'm happy with that at the moment. And then we're going to finish off the other side and do mascara. Okay, here we are, and here is the finished look. What do we all think? Well, from what I didn't really know what I was trying to get out from my brain onto my eyes, I think it's turned out quite nice. I wanted that spring, chilled, but sort of whimsical, like you're chilling out, you're looking at the stars at night on a nice, warm, like springy evening. And it's just, yeah, I think that's the look I was trying to go for. Spring grunge, milky moon eye look. It's hair. I think it looks nice. Also, mascara I'm wearing is the new e.l.f. one, which I'm really, really liking, and also wearing it pretty much every day, testing it out. And then I will give you my true feelings on a lot of products that I'm testing. Sort of like speed reviews videos that I'll put out soon, but like not like mega fast. Like some nice, decent reviews coming up soon. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like things all makeup related and makeup reviews, I'll love it if you come and join in the Kazaroo family. Check this out. Check. Look. An avocado. It says sending. Ooh. Avocados. I love it. Yeah. See you later, my lovelies. Bye.